Deciphering the phrase, butt joint. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into a unique phrase that might make you raise an eyebrow if you hear it out of context. Butt joint. Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it means and how to use it. A butt joint is a term primarily used in carpentry, woodworking, and construction. It refers to a simple joint where two pieces of material, such as wood, are joined or butted together end to end without any overlapping. The joint is formed by placing the flat end of one piece directly against the flat end of another piece. Imagine two pieces of wood lying on a table. If you push the flat ends of the two pieces together so they meet, you've created a butt joint. It's one of the simplest types of joints but not always the strongest. Often, glue or fasteners like screws or nails are used to hold a butt joint together. You might be wondering, why such a peculiar name? Well, in this context, the word butt simply means to abut or join end to end. It has nothing to do with the more commonly known meaning of butt that refers to the rear end of a person. English can sometimes be tricky with words that have multiple meanings, and this is a perfect example. It's essential to know the context in which a word or phrase is used to understand its true meaning. To help you grasp the term better, here are a couple of example sentences. 1. The carpenter used a butt joint to connect the two pieces of wood. 2. Although quick to make, a butt joint might not be as strong as other types of joints. Remember, context is key. If you hear or read this phrase in relation to carpentry or construction, it's likely referring to this type of joint and not anything else. And there we have it. You now understand what a butt joint is and can confidently use the term in the right context. English is filled with phrases that can sound odd when first heard, but with a bit of exploration, their meanings become clear. We hope this video has been enlightening. Keep learning and stay curious. Until next time,